I think this is a very interesting video because I haven't seen anyone out there like Chebe and Gel wash and go. I haven't seen any. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So from the title we all know that this is going to be a Chebe wash and go. I've never tried this before. This is the first time I'm trying it, and as you can see from the results, it's turned out pretty nice. You can see how defined and how dark my hair looks. My hair feels super strengthened and it doesn't feel dry. It was just a little crunchy, but I was able to scrunch out the crunch to an extent. Like I was able to get rid of the crunch to the best I could. Yeah, so I used Chebe Powder and Xtreme Wetline Gel, as I'm going to show you guys in the video, and I'll show you guys also how I stretched it using the banding method. Of course, there's still a lot more stretching that can look at that the hair can do with, but we all know how it is with natural hair and wash and goes. Shrinkage is inevitable, so you just have to rock it the way you want to rock it. Like, because it's super defined, I know it's gonna last pretty long, a couple of days. I think this is a very interesting video because I haven't seen anyone out there like Chebe and Gel wash and go. I haven't seen any like that out there, so I'm glad to bring it to you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you learn a couple of things, and see you guys in my next one. So to prep my hair for the wash and go, I'll be using the Aussie Miracle Moist Conditioner on clean hair while I fully detangle with my Denman brush. This is what my Chebe mix looks like. I have a separate video of how I made the mix, which is linked in the cards above. I'm sure many of you have heard about the Wetline Xtreme Gel. For me, it's one of the best there is out there in terms of definition and shine. So now I'm starting the application process. As you guys can see, my hair is already sectioned with each section fully detangled. Now I'm just unraveling the section to apply my Chebe mix. My hair feels soft and moisturized thanks to the conditioner I used earlier. So I'll be saturating my hair with some water. This is key to achieving a bomb wash and go. So now I'm just working in the Chebe mix very nicely to allow my strands absorb it properly, because we wouldn't want any residue or flaking after applying the gel. You can see how well my strands swallow and absorb the mix, and you wouldn't even know there's Chebe in my hair unless you look really closely. And seriously, why would you want to do that? I must admit I was a bit heavy-handed with my gel, but that's for very good reason. It helps with the definition, it made my definition last longer, and it also allowed me to apply it to larger sections at once. I was sure to do a close-up for you guys. You can see how well this gel works with the Chebe mix. There was no residue or white cast. My hair is super dark, super curly, and super moisturized. So I decided to do the rest of this half off camera, and yeah, so let's get to the other half of my hair. I basically had to re-wet this half of my hair in the shower because it had dried up completely. Like I mentioned earlier, you don't want to be doing your wash and go on dry or damp hair. So basically we're going to do the same steps we did on the other side. You apply your Chebe, you work it in very nicely, and then you apply a substantial amount of gel to each section. I usually glide or smoothen my fingers over each section. That helps enhance my curls, and it also ensures maximum definition. Throughout this video, I really enjoyed the results I got from this style. I'm constantly amazed by what we can achieve and do with our natural hair. I mean, who would have thought that Chebe and gel would yield such nice results? And to top it up, I love the feeling of knowing my strands are well coated and protected from breakage while I'm able to enjoy and rock my wash and go. So I'll just let you guys watch the rest of the application process and I'll be back later. So this is the next day and this is what my hair is looking like. It's completely dry now. I'm just showing you guys how much shrinkage I experienced. Yeah, you can see it's still really defined. The hairs are dark with no visible shaving residue. At first, my hair felt really crunchy, but I was able to sort that out by using a bit of water and oil, which will be detailed in a separate video. As for stretching out the hair, I use these hair ties by using the banding method. I'm sure some of you are familiar with that method. This is what my hair looks like with the bands in it, and from the before and after you can see a difference, a significant difference in my hair length. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Bye.